Musk says he plans to improve the social media platform. The billionaire uses Twitter not just as a barometer for how to run his businesses, but also to gauge the mood of the people. One thing he seems particularly keen on, ensuring Twitter does more to protect free speech. Twitter bosses have welcomed Musk into the fold. Do they have any choice? The Twitter chief executive is Parag Agrawal. He's tweeted that he's excited by the appointment. He says, indeed, he's excited that we are appointing Elon Musk to our board. Through conversations with Elon in recent weeks, it became clear to us that he would bring great value to our board. He's both a passionate believer and intense critic of the service, which is exactly what we need. And in the boardroom, we need that as well to make us stronger in the long term. Welcome, Elon Musk replied. Looking forward to working with Parag and Twitter board to make significant improvements in the coming months.